Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome back to Repair and Replace. In this episode, I'll show you how to replace the motor in your bathroom fan. Now, this is the best option when you don't have access to the attic and don't need a larger fan. Now, if you've got access to your attic and you're upgrading the entire unit, then watch our installation video linked below. To begin, you might need a screwdriver and an adjustable wrench. To be safe, first turn the power off at the circuit breaker. Many bathroom fans use a simple metal wire system to hold the outer cover in place. Pull down on the cover. Now pinch the metal clips and remove the cover. Now disconnect the motor wires. To find the right replacement, locate the part number on the motor. When in doubt, locate the model number on the bathroom fan housing. This number can be used to find a match online. Now, there are several types of motors that you might come across, and there are a few different ways that bathroom fans are mounted. Let's take a look. Some motors are attached by a mounting bracket. First, loosen the screws and remove the motor assembly. Next, remove the old motor and blower wheel from the bracket. Now install the blower wheel. Align the new motor onto the bracket and secure the nuts. Some motors are attached to a mounting plate and will have to be removed as one piece. Remove any screws holding the mounting plate in place. Now use a flat blade screwdriver to release the tabs and remove the assembly. Some motors will be sold individually. Other motors will be sold as an assembly and will include the mounting plate and blower wheel. If you're just replacing the motor, then unscrew the nuts and remove the mounting plate and blower wheel. Next, slide the blower wheel onto the new motor until it's secure. Now align the motor to the bracket and tighten the nuts. Most high-output fans will use enclosed blower assemblies. Now, these are meant to be installed and replaced as one piece, and the motors are usually not accessible for replacement. First, remove the mounting screws. Now, slide the assembly out. Insert the new assembly and tighten the screws. This can be a good time to clean the dust from the cover and housing, which will improve air circulation and air quality. Now you can attach the new motor. Align the mounting bracket and screw in the new motor assembly. For models with a mounting plate, you'll have to insert the tabs and slide it up until it clicks into place. Now tighten the mounting screws. Plug in the new motor and replace the cover. Finally, turn on the power and test the fan. Hopefully, this repair has helped you get your old bathroom fan up and running like new. Now, if you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.